Okay, this is a quick movie just to delight in my irritation with all things Microsoft, and it's just yet another example of the stupidity of their decisions. My computer, and increasingly all computers, are landscape monitors. However, page size is portrait, usually portrait, so we're usually typing things in a portrait manner. So where you lack space on the monitors that we use is in the vertical. We've usually got plenty of space either side, but it's in the vertical. So let's just have a look and see at what the new version of Office is going to look like. Here is Word. It's a screenshot from Word from the Microsoft site. This is the new version that will be coming out in January. And what have they gone and done? Well, just to be fair, look, this was reduced in size on the site, so I've tried to scale it so it's the same. Okay, so I'll try to be as fair as I can. Here is a screenshot, size for size, of the new copy of Word. Now, I've got here, so I'll just call it up. I've got a program here called Xscope, which is just a pair of rulers, that's all it is, so we can lay it on and see how big it is. So this is just around 800 pixels high, of which 200, 1/4 of the height, is taken up with the interface. And as a result, there's no way that I can even approach to fit on a whole portrait page of A4. I just cannot believe the stupidity of that. Just as a comparison, let's just call up Pages, for instance, which is Apple's word processor. There we go. It's taking up over twice the amount of the Apple one. Yeah, it's exactly twice the amount of the Apple one. And if you actually, just as a comparison as well, if you look at the things you've got on screen at the moment, you've got all this stuff: open, save, print, undo. Well, if you don't know the keyboard shortcuts for that, I don't think you should be allowed on a computer anyway. But then you've got tables, you've got all the same sorts of stuff here. But on here you've also got things to do with fonts, colours, and they've fitted that into half the interface. Just madness. And this blue here, so I won't even start on that, but anyway, the point is that here it is, there's the difference, and the space that you really need on these documents is vertically, so they've filled 1/4 of the interface, left all this space either side, and of course on a real page you're going to have even more than that, just dead space, just completely dead, that you could use for something else, but their choice.